Hello guys. Today we are going to see about an Java program. That is, the question is create an interface. That is the third question. Create an interface academic with methods such as cal academic credit, register sub, assign faculty. We have to insert three methods and we have to create another interface non-academic with method cal non-academic and register club. There are totally two interfaces we have to create which are academic and non-academic respectively, and also the given methods for academic and non-academic respectively. So next we have to create an abstract class called course with details such as name, register number, subjects, faculty, non-acad club, and is necessary constructors. Implement these interfaces and inherit the class student class to perform the specific operation. So demonstrate the operation in menu-driven fashion from a main class. This question is nothing but in a college for a particular student, we are going to create uh, an academic profile, that is we are getting the internal marks from him, and we are also getting how much academic events here he has been participated. Then we are calculating the academic points plus the non-academic credit points, and we are putting total average points. That is this program. For the first, we are going to create an interface academic. In that interface, we are adding three methods: cal academic credit, register, sub, and assign faculty. After completing this, we are creating a second interface, non-academic, with methods such as cal, non-academic credit, register club. Before going inside this program, we have to create a package. Package is nothing but to prevent naming conflicts, we use package. So by creating package, you can insert a different type of class. For example, if in an employee there in an employee class there will be many employees and there will be many destinations, there will be many salary points. So we can separate this using a package. So first of all, we are going to create a package. So let's see the program, let's see the code. See, I have created a package. You can give any name to a package. Okay, next I am giving the class name and I'm importing the class. So firstly these steps are completed. Next I'm giving getting the name, subject, faculty, and NC non-academic club. So these are just variable names only. You can give any variable names. And I'm getting the register number in the form of int data type. Then float and use sum is equal for 0 because the marks can be in anything. It can be in point, decimal points. So I'm using float sum giving 0 because we don't know the marks. So now I'm entering the getting the student name and getting register number. Entering the subject. I'm entering the faculty and club and internal marks. Six details I'm going to get. Internal mark. Okay, I'm getting these details. Finally, I'm using the Cal academic credit in the I'm entering the number of non-academic events participated and I'm calculating it. It will be in int form only because it will be, for example, events, student can be participated in 3 event, 4 event. He cannot participate in 3.4 event, 5.6 event. So definitely here we have to use only int data type. So I'm using an int data type. Now coming to interface, we are creating the interface and the methods. After completing each process, I am creating two interfaces given in question are academic credit and non-academic credit. So I'm giving everything float, string subject, and string faculty in academic credit. For coming to non-academic credit, I'm getting the number and string NAC means the non-academic credit club name. So I have completed a interface. Abstract class is nothing but abstract time we are interacting with the person and we are interacting with the inputs to get the output. See here, I abstract class also I added the same thing which I added first, that is string name, subject, faculty, non-academic club. So we are getting it, and also we are adding the necessary data types in register number, and for float academic credit can be in float number. So credit point we are adding float. Then for again for a course giving, for course we are getting the name and register number. So I'm using this keyword because we have already had a variable such as name and register number. So we are using this keyword to differentiate the variable names. So I'm ending the abstract public void display. I'm displaying it. So finally, last step is class student extends course implements non-academic CDT. I am adding this because we all know that in Java multiple inheritance is not possible. So for the main reason we are getting a package. Also, finally we want two academic credits to be calculated. One is the normal academic credit, another one is non-academic credit. So we have completed academic credit. Coming to non-academic credit, uh, we have to find the average, that calculate the total academic credit. For that, we are getting an internal 3 marks, internal of three internals of three test, and we are dividing the sum by 3 so that we get the average. Then we are displaying the methods such as register number, subject, assignment, assign faculty, calculate non-academic credit, register for each non-academic credit. That will be only 1 point, as we mentioned the program, and register club, display everything we are mentioning. So finally display, and also for at last I am giving this because we know that properly it can be used to also float for calculating academic credit. It will be float. For non-academic credit, float is not necessary because it will be only 1 point for one event, 1 point, two event, 2 point. It is not necessary to be in point 2.0000. It is not necessary. Can be just in a simple whole number or decimal number. So I'm using int number. I'm completing this program. I'm created a, I'm giving the first creating a package. I'm inserting the details, and I'm creating two interfaces such as academic credit, non-academic credit. Then I'm creating an abstract class called course. Then I'm creating a, then I'm doing the inheritance. It is class student extend course implements. Implements is doing actions. The action task doing task. So I'm using the implements keyword from the non-academic credit, and then I'm adding the data essential details to be displayed in the output panel. So let's run this program. I'm entering student name. I'm giving Ammo. I'm entering her register name 01. I'm entering the subject. Let's give Java itself. Be very easy. Java. I'm entering the faculty. Mr. Yes. That. Now I'm entering the club name. Club name, for example, I'm given NSS. Can give its club. I'm entering the internal marks that is scored by the particular student Ammo in the Java. I will, as I said, I will be entering 3 internal marks. So I will entering out of 100, I will enter 90 for one, 80, 70, 75, anything. So finally, it's asking enter the number of non-academic events participated by the particular student. So I'm giving non-academic event. Let's take it as 4 event. Okay, I'm giving 4 event. See, the name is being displayed, register number is being displayed, subject is being displayed, faculty name is being displayed, and the non-academic club which we have entered is being displayed. Finally, the academic credit is calculated using the formula sum by 3, that is the 90 plus 80 plus 75, which comes around 245. 245 by 3, which comes 81.666. Okay, then non-academic credit 4, because for each non-academic event 1 point will be given. The particular student has attended 4 non-academic event, so the so he or she is given 4 points. So this is our program. Sorry, this is our program to enter the point, to calculate the credit point scored in both academic as well as non-academic point. Thank you.